Right, good evening. We're in the office here, just a way to fix. Where did I put my solder? There it is. We're just a way to fix the motherboard off of a gas banger for the pigeons. Pardon me. So they've got little switches here, just like that, little wee switches that touch through. And this one here, you can see if I zoom in on that one, they're gonna focus this little white one up here, and then to this one here, you can see the whole inside of it's going here. So we're just going to get that desoldered and then look for a new switch, and hopefully we've got one that'll fit. So grab my tweezers. Just put on my soldering iron here. We're out of battery. This little soldering iron's a brilliant wee thing. So it flashes when it's cold, and then once it's heated up it'll be solid red. So we'll wait on that heating up. Grab my little solder here. Now what I like to do is just heat up the little terminals and give them a wee extra bit of new solder on the top first before you try and take them off the board. I always find it works best. I think they were wanting £150, £160 for a new motherboard, but as I say, it's just the switch that's going on it, so we'll get that changed out. I'm going to look for, just got a big box of goodies here. This is all just standard capacitors, LEDs, switches, potentiometers, all that jazz. What you have another wee look, just little kit. Got all the most common items on it. Okay, our solder iron's heated up now. Put this new switch down here. Now I'm just going to put on a light bit of pressure with the tweezers here. Let me hold it this way. This is for like a little flat tip solder iron if you can. Just helps push out the pins. Just gradually work out. We've got a wee bit of copper cable wire. There's my little bits of wire. Excuse me a second. So I'm just using, you can get all the fancy braids you want for doing this, but I just tend to work a bit of stranded wire. You just heat it up as if you're soldering it on.